guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Without wasting any much of your time, let's get into today's video. This looks terrifying. Oh, did you see that drifting?
Oh, wait a second.
Whoa. Oh my God. Yo, this is giving asphalt. I don't know if you know the game asphalt. Asphalt adrenaline. This is what it's giving. Yo. To have like a lot of boldness and bravery to be able to do this, because this is terrifying. This is life threatening. This is strictly professional. What? Look at how they're Yo, these guys do not have a heart. Wow. 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 Whoa. Whoa. This looks extremely fun. What? Yo, this is so cool. It feels like I'm the one in the car. I feel like I'm scared, like my heart is racing really fast, especially whenever they go through that slope. Like, girl, this is crazy. I would love to do this in my next life because I'm too terrified for this right now. This looks extremely fun.
From mes grosses fêtes, il en 700 sur 7 droite 120 plus d'eau, Sardini, ferme. Pour comme ça fonctionne. 47, 432 points, Concorde, 4 mètres, 5, droite porte stoppée, droite porte stoppée, chicane, virtuelle,
This is a fantastic summary of like an amazing rally Finland 2024. Like, what a great way to spend 8 minutes. The film footage is breathtaking. Like, congratulations to everyone involved in the making of this film, because like, wow, this is really awesome, guys. Like, I have to say, like, I don't think I've seen like a much more impressive event than this. I think it's called the WRC, because like, I haven't. Please, if you have any recommendations, show me, because I promise you I haven't. And like, lastly, Finland is like one of the best rallies on the calendar without any doubt. Like, yeah. We have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's reaction, because as you can see, I did. So yeah, I hope you did as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you stay to the end, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and also share and comment. Let's make this interactive, okay? Please don't forget to turn on your post notification so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And if you're free to donate into my channel, please do. There's a link in my description box below that would direct you to where you could, donate to my channel, buy me as many coffees as you'd wish to. It serves as a motivation for me. So if you're open to, if you'd like to, please don't hesitate to, and I promise you they would be more than appreciated. Thank you so much, guys, for watching again. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.